How can I change my country on my Amazon Prime Video? So for this, what you have to do is you can change the country in your official, the main Amazon app, because whenever you will change the country from this app, it will automatically be changed on your Prime app also. So to change country of your account, what you have to do is open your Amazon account in front of you, click on your profile, scroll down, and here you will see the last option on your account section, that is devices. What you have to do is simply click on this devices option and it will open a prompt in front of you. From there you can see that from which device you have logged into your account. Let me just wait for to roll it down and scroll to the bottom of screen. But on the bottom you will see two options: to change language and to change the country. As you can see, we clicked on the change country option, and here we are getting options of changing and swapping my country. I can select any country I want, and after clicking on it you just have to save it. So now the setting will be saved to your Amazon Prime account or to any type of Amazon account you have created with this Gmail. And the other option is using a VPN. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.